Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Shopify and MailerLite. So the use case here is, whenever a new order is placed in Shopify, automatically add subscriber in MailerLite. Now let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can set up your online store and sell your products, whereas MailerLite is an email marketing software. Although Shopify and MailerLite have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an integration software which will help you to transfer data from Shopify to MailerLite. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google. And now I will go to this URL section over here and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is the website of Pabbly, and now I will hover over this product section from here and I'm going to click on Connect. Okay, so now I am going to sign into my account. Okay, so now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free and create your free account in just 2 minutes. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I will scroll down and here at Connect, I am going to click on Access Now. Okay. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button over here. Okay, so now I'm going to give a name to this workflow and I'm going to name it as Shopify Integrations. Create. Okay, so now here in Choose App, first I am going to choose Shopify. Okay. Now in trigger event, according to our workflow, whenever a new order is created in Shopify will be our trigger event over here. So new order. So now you can see we have various trigger events available. You can select whichever trigger event you prefer. And if you don't get the trigger event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. Now I'm going to click on new order. Okay. So now you might have a question in your mind that what is this term called trigger? Let me explain you that automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, whenever a new order is created in Shopify will be our trigger event over here. So now when you come down here, you can see this term called Webhook URL. So Webhook is an essential way to get data from an external software at Pabbly's end. So this webhook helps you to build a connection between the trigger software application and Pabbly Connect. So here after choosing the app and choosing the trigger event, what we do is we copy this webhook URL from here and we go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is Shopify over here. Okay, so now you can see the instructions are written over here. You can just follow them carefully. So now I'm going to go to my Shopify account. Okay, so this is my Shopify account over here. Now I'm going to click on the settings over here and you can see this notification. So I'm going to click on notifications. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down and here you can see webhooks. So I'm going to create a webhook over here. Okay, so event here is order creation. So I am going to click on order creation. Let us search for it. You can see order creation. Okay, format will be JSON URL. So here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got from Pabbly Connect. I'll just copy it and I am going to paste it. Webhook API version will remain same. Save webhook. Okay, so we have successfully created a webhook and we have saved it. Now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and here I am going to click on capture webhook response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means now whenever a new order will be created in Shopify, Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So now I'm going to go to my Shopify and here you can see online store. So I'm going to open it in new tab. Okay, so now I'm going to click on catalog and I am going to buy a camera. Okay, now I'll buy it. So now here contact information, I'm going to enter a contact information here. So the email is going to be 𝗪𝗆15@gmail.com. Okay, first name Emily, last name 𝗏𝗏, company I'll put here TVS, address E24 10 number market, Arera colony, city Bhopal, state Madhya Pradesh, pin code. Okay, phone. Okay, now continue to shipping. Okay, so now I'm going to continue to payment. Okay, so now in card number, I'm going to write 1. Name on card, I'll write here bogus gateway. I'm here doing a test card payment. Expiry date. Okay, security code. Okay, pay now. Okay, so we have successfully created an order here in Shopify. You can see we have bought Canon EOS 1500D digital SLR camera. Okay, so now let's go to Pabbly Connect. Okay, so you can see Pabbly Connect has already captured the data over here. The email is here, created date, updated, okay. If you go down, you can see the amount is also here. So we have successfully finished our first step integration here. Now I'm going to save it. Okay, so now let's begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate MailerLite and Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on this plus button over here. And here I am going to write MailerLite. Okay, now in action event, according to our workflow, we want to add subscriber in MailerLite. That is why add subscriber will be our action event over here. You can see we have various other action events available. You can select whichever action event you prefer according to your workflow. And if you don't get the action event of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So now I'm going to click on add subscribers, connect with MailerLite. Create new or select existing credentials. If you have any existing credential like this, you can just directly click on it and you can go ahead. But here I am going to click on new credentials. Now here it is asking me for the API key. So log into your MailerLite account, click on your profile picture on the top right side, select integrations, then click on developer API. So I'll go to my MailerLite account. So this is the dashboard of my MailerLite account. I'll go to my profile picture. Here you can see integrations. Here you can see developer API. Okay, so here you can see the API keys here. I'll just copy it. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. So now this API key is going to help us to build a connection between MailerLite and Pabbly Connect. Now I'm going to click on save. Okay, so now here we have these empty fields and we have to fill the information that we have got from our webhook response. Okay, so first is group ID. Okay, so if you click here in this drop down menu, you can see I have all these groups created in my MailerLite account. If I go to my MailerLite, I'll click on subscribers and here you can see groups. So here I have all these groups already created. Now I'm going to create a new group and I'll name it as Shopify orders. I'll create it. Okay, so I have this group created. So now I want whenever a new order is created in Shopify, a new subscriber should be created in MailerLite in this specific group. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. I'll refresh this once. And here you can see we have the group Shopify orders, email. So I'll map the email of our subscriber. Okay, first name. Okay, first name is Emily. Company, I'll put the company. We have company. Last name, I'll put the last name over here. Okay, country. I have all these details. Okay, city. Phone number. Okay. Okay, so now I'll just save and send test request. Okay, so we have got our API response. That means we have successfully finished our integration of Shopify and MailerLite. Now I'll save it. Okay, so now let's go to MailerLite and see if a new subscriber is added there or not. I'll go to MailerLite and I'm going to open my group Shopify orders. And here you can see 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 is here. And if you go down here, you can see all other details are also here. Phone, city, country, last name, company, first name, email, everything is over here. So we have successfully finished our integration here. And now I'm going to show you this process again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. So I'll go back to my Shopify store, continue shopping, catalog. Okay, so this time I am going to buy this phone. I'll buy it now. Okay, so here I am going to enter 𝗪𝗵𝘆 𝗣𝗯𝗯𝗹𝘆 First name Robert, Matthew, company I'll write hero, address 34. Okay, city I'll enter Bhopal, phone number. Okay, continue to shipping, continue to payment. I'm again going to enter bogus card details over here. Security code. Okay. So you can see we have successfully created an order here in Shopify. So now let's go to MailerLite and see if a new subscriber is added there or not. So I'll go to MailerLite. I'm again going to open our group Shopify orders. So you can see Robert1515@gmail.com has been created as a subscriber here. You can see the other details are also here. So our integration is successful and it is working fine. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to explain you what has happened in our example. Okay, so in our example, what has happened is first the information came from Shopify to Pabbly Connect. Then from Pabbly Connect, the information went to MailerLite. So now every time a new order is created in Shopify, subscribers will be added to MailerLite automatically. So we have successfully finished the integration of Shopify and MailerLite using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.